What's up guys, the Ultimate DIY machine here. In today's video I want to show you how to reprogram the keys in some old school BMW models like E38, E39, E46, E53 and maybe some others. As you can see, I got here two keys for this car. The remote is not responding at all in any of them. They are dead. You have to follow step by step the next instructions, because if not, this isn't going to work. Step 1, you have to stay inside of the car with all four doors closed, completely closed. Okay, you have to ensure that they are correctly closed, because if, for example, this door is not completely closed, this isn't going to work. So all doors closed, even the trunk. Step 2, you make sure you don't push this button, okay? The doors have to be closed, but not locked. Not locked. If the doors are locked, this isn't going to work. So this is the way to go. Step 3, this is a programming key step. You have to grab one of the keys, doesn't matter, one of them. Put the key ignition, turn the key to position 1. Okay, immediately you have to get the key off. Press this button. While you're doing that, you have to make 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the car will close and open again, and this is the signal that this is okay. Well, you get the other key and you have to do the same thing. Okay, hold the unlock button and then 3 clicks and the lock button. The same thing. Now the keys are programmed. Alright, I'm going outside now. Check the keys are working or not. Okay. Check the key number 1. Working. And finally, key number 2 is working too. Okay guys, finally a quick tip. For some reason you have to deactivate the remote of the key. You have to do the same thing, but while the key is into the ignition. Okay, no, the key is working now, but you do the same thing. Okay, 2, 3, then okay, you see the key is not working. Well, this is it. If you have any doubt or any comment, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Of more content is coming. Well, be safe and see you soon. Bye.